Hey guys, welcome to Train Dad. Today's story is Thomas and the Witch. Thomas is late and has to get the candy delivered to the party. Oh no, I'm late, I have to go!
Wow! Sorry.
Oh no, what was that?
It was just me, I'm sorry, sir.
Who are you?
I'm Missy.
Missy?
Missy the witch.
You're a witch?
Yes, I'm a nice witch, don't worry.
Oh, well I gotta get this candy over to the party.
You haven't even introduced me to your name.
Well, I'm Thomas, and I'm already late.
Oh boy, I can help with that.
Alright, help me get back on the tracks.
I'm really good with doing this one. Okay, I'm gonna get you to the party with my magic, so you're not late.
Okay. This isn't the party. I'm not supposed to be here.
Sorry, Thomas. I'll try again.
This isn't the party. This is the grocery store.
Maybe just one more try?
Now where am I? This looks like a kid's room. Oh no. Shh, baby. Shh.
Good night, Thomas.
Miss Witch, where are you?
I'm over here. Sorry.
You need to get me out of here.
Okay. How are we gonna get you back?
Good, now I'm back on the track.
No.
Well, I have to find my way to the party.
I think the pip's up.
Well, I'm gonna have to go along the tracks.
Be careful, Thomas. Oh, Thomas, wait.
Yes?
You're gonna need a hat to go to the party.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. You're a signature witch in training.
I've never been a witch before.
Bye, Thomas.
Wow, that witch was really nice, but not very helpful. Oh no, my hat fell off. Oh boy, oh boy! Sir Topham Hat is gonna be so upset!
Thomas.
Oh no,
You were supposed to be here 2 hours late. 2
Oh.
hours late.
my hat didn't fit underneath the bridge. Alright, here's the candy!
Thomas.
Yay!
You're very late.
I know, but I had troubles, and then the witch sent me to a track bin and
Whoa.
a grocery store and a kid's room.
I'm sorry, Thomas. Again. Oh boy.
Oh no.
Well, at least I'm at the party.
All right, let's get this candy delivered.
All right. I'll take the boxes out with my magic. At least I can.
Go.
Don't worry, Thomas. I'll help. One candy car coming up, though. Oh boy. These candy cars are heavy, Thomas.
Lots of candy. All right.
A happy ending for a happy party.
Wait, who's at this party?
Mr. Ghost is hosting it at least.
Oh, he's cool.
Yes. And then there's Travis and Trev, Miss Rabbit, aka Belle's mom, and then Miss Koala, Miss Cat, Ghost Man, and the 3 koala children, Oliver, Quinn, and Lucas.
Who are these cool guys?
Those are the Monkey Bros. And there's Mr. Koala. Must have got taken down by them as they were fighting. Well, that's all at the party, guys. See you next time.
Happy Halloween!
Hee 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 hee.